The GoCentroBus mobile app now offers customers the ease and convenience of buying digital ride passes on their personal mobile devices. To get started, launch the app and tap on the passes icon found at the bottom of the home screen. As a new user, you'll need to tap the sign-up link located at the bottom of the screen. Returning users will be prompted to enter their email address and password to log in to the portal. To create an account, enter your first and last name, email address, and a password. Once your account has been created, tap the Buy Passes button. Select the desired quantity of passes from the menu using the plus and minus buttons. Then tap the Continue button to review your order summary. Once you've reviewed and confirmed your order, tap the Proceed to Checkout button. At this time, customers will be prompted to enter their credit or debit card information in the checkout screen to complete their purchase. Using your digital ride pass. When you're ready to board and use your digital ride pass, launch the app, tap the passes icon, select the pass you wish to use from the list of purchased passes, then tap the Activate button. On the next screen, confirm that you wish to use your pass and press the Tap to Activate button only when ready to use. Activating the pass will generate a QR code to be scanned on the fare box within the next 3 minutes. As you board, scan the QR code using the validator window on the top of the fare box. A fare accepted message will appear on the fare box screen, and a beep will sound informing you that your pass was accepted. If you are using a reduced fare ride pass, you will be prompted to show the driver your Centro ID card or a combination of a Medicare card and photo ID.
Please show ID.
If your QR code does not scan, make sure your mobile device screen brightness is turned up. If you encounter any other issues, please contact Centro's call center during normal business hours at 315-442-3400.